Hello, this is how you find the audio and video features on one of our assignments. So this is our assignment for today, and this is about clocks, and you're going to pick which picture doesn't belong in here. So there's lots of different combos. So if you look, we have a regular analog wristwatch. Then we have 3 digital clocks. So this picture does not belong with these other 3 because you have digital and analog. Um, then you could also say, well, you've got 3 clocks and you have 1 wristwatch because this is a wristwatch, so that would be another reason that one doesn't belong. If we look at this clock right here, there's a reason it doesn't belong in the picture either. This one doesn't belong in the picture because if you notice, the hour on this one is 9:31, the hour on this one is 9, and the hour on this one is 9, the hour on this one is 8. So there's several other combinations in here and why something doesn't belong. This one right here is pretty obvious. Might have to do with the red light. So you're trying to figure out which picture doesn't belong with the other 3 and then tell me why. So an explanation of the assignment can be found right here. There's full instructions. There are also instructions that I recorded right here. If you press this blue button, it will give you a
Hey, second graders, Mr.
audio
Stanish
recording
here.
of the instructions.
This is a new activity we're going to be doing. I'll send these to you probably at least once a week.
And then if you need help on how to actually submit after you've done the assignment, here is a video on how to make the audio or video recording for the assignment. And this video will walk you all the way through how to complete the assignment, including with at the top here you start by hitting a submit assignment button. So this video is very helpful for how to do the whole assignment. This is the details on what the assignment entails. So I hope this helps, and have a great day.